Hey there, future millionaires. Ever wonder how the wealthiest people seem to make money even in their sleep? Well, it's time for you to decode their secret. We're diving deep into the world of passive income, where money works for you, not the other way around. Stick around because what I'm about to share might be the key to unlocking financial freedom faster than you can say financial independence. Curious yet? Let's get started. Point 1. Rental property investment. Imagine earning money each month simply because someone else is living in your property. Sounds dreamy, right? Rental properties are not just a millionaire's game, they're an accessible path to creating a stable income stream. Remember that quirky old saying, landlords are the kings and queens of passive income? No? Well, it's true. And you can be one too. Consider starting with a small property or even a multi-family home where you can live in one part and rent out the other. But wait, what if owning property isn't your thing? Point 2. Dividend stock. Enter the world of dividend stock, a realm where your money decides to grow while you binge watch your favorite Netflix. It's like planting a money tree where dividends act as the steady fruits of your investments, paid out regularly. Here's the twist. Even during market dips, dividends often keep flowing in, offering financial peace of mind. Buying stocks is like going on a Tinder date, exciting, nerve-wracking. But when you swipe right, it could be a match made in heaven. But what if you're looking for something even more suited to your skills? Point 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Here's where it gets interesting. Forget traditional banking. Peer-to-peer lending is the fintech innovation that allows you to lend money directly to individuals or businesses. It's a bit like joining a financial matchmaking service, where you connect with borrowers eager for a chance. Not only does it diversify your investment portfolio, it also empowers others, creating a win-win scenario. Why wait until the next financial revolution when you can be part of it now? Still, anything else that could potentially multiply your dollars while you're sipping that iced latte? Point 4. Digital product. Ever thought about creating a product once and selling it infinitely? Digital products are here to show you the way. They can be ebooks, online courses, or even stock photos. Each sale adds a little more jingle to your pockets. With minimal maintenance, your initial effort continues to churn out passive dough. Think of it like this. Instead of adopting a pet rock, why not sell one? But there's one more door we need to open before we unlock the final treasure. Point 5. Affiliate marketing. Let's enter the world of affiliate marketing. Your chance to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. With a good platform like social media or a blog, you can turn recommendations into revenue. Nothing feels quite as rewarding as seeing a purchase notification that results from your genuine suggestion. Don't just dream of wealth, participate in the ecosystem that creates it. And there's someone we forgot to mention. Hint, it's someone you see in the mirror. As we wrap up today's treasure map to financial freedom, remember this critical point. The most important investment you'll ever make is in yourself. Each of these strategies could be a stepping stone on your path to becoming financially independent. The way you choose to walk it is entirely up to you. Would you rather wander aimlessly or stride forward confidently with purpose? The time to decide is now. If you're ready to transform dreams into reality, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and join our thriving community. Until next time, keep investing in your future because you are the greatest asset of all. And hey, if you have more ideas that actually work, drop them in the comments below. You never know who you might inspire today.